Hi, this is Sot at Johnson RV down here in Fife, Washington, home of the premium pre-owned. Today I will be showing you the Springdale 22BH, a bunk model travel trailer. We'll start off with looking on the front here. This unit features a power tongue jack, push of a button. It has an LED lights as well, so that way when you pull into the campground at nighttime, you don't have to hold a flashlight and then push the button at the same time. It has that light for you. Push that button, it'll go down and stake to the ground for you. And if this goes out, there's a manual override as well. This unit here has a big propane tank. Look at how big, two big propane tanks. They're 10 gallons each. 2 batteries as well. 2 AGM batteries. Normally they'll come with 1, but this one has 2. You have the rock guard as well. When you tow, you don't want it to the rocks to damage your unit. Come right over here. Let's take a look at the storage. You have pass-through storage. Look at that. Skis, what have you. Anything long that you can put through here, or you can stuff a lot of stuff. Gear. You have your manual stabilizing jacks. They can be auto if you wanted to. All you need to use is a drill bit. Goes down. All right. Come right over here. You have your 6-gallon hot water tank. This one has the dual wheels for that stability, so that way you have that comfort of towing something like this behind you. You have the 110 out here for outside entertainment if you wanted to, radio or TV. And on top, you'll have your powered awning. 1 push button goes out, and when you need to bring it back in at nighttime, 1 push, it'll come back in. It has LED lights as well. Now, LED lights attracts less bug because it's nice soft light, not the warm incandescent light where it attracts a lot of bugs. And right over here, this is the exhaust for your refrigerator. This small bunk model comes with an outside kitchen, refrigerator, pull out outside kitchen with 2 burners on it. It's amazing. And again, your stabilizing jacks is right there. And then the bumper acts as a sewer hose storage as well. Let's head around that way. All right, now we are on the left side. You have a water tank. When you want to go boondocking or dry camping, you can fill up the water. You have the city connection, both of it conveniently located in the same area. Now this unit here is carrying capacity is 2,820 pounds and loaded is 7,570. So unloaded weight is, you're looking at a little bit over 5,000 pounds. So you can get your Tundra, your Ford F-150, your Chevy 1500. Your half-ton pickup can tow this easily. Let's go back here. Here you have your furnace exhaust, your 30 amp service. Pull this out. You can hook this up at home or at the campsite. When you use it at home, you can use it as an extra bedroom. So that way, your guests will have their own privacy. Outside shower. Your toilet connection is right here. Hook a hose up to here. Pull the valves, the black one first, then the gray one to flush it out. And another important thing that this comes with is black tank flush. So when you hook up a hose to this, it'll flush out all the solids that are in the black tank, so you don't have to do it so many times. So hook up a hose to that, rinses it out quick. Now let's go inside. All right, this 22 bunkhouse has a walk-around bed. Look at that. It's a normal queen-size bed. You can just walk around without walking sideways. I walk it normally. Same thing with this. You do sideways on this one. A lot of storage in the front. Wardrobe storage there. Storage on top of that. Here you go. Look at all that storage you get. And you have LED reading lights on here. If you need to, you can access storage from below also. That's a huge amount. It comes with a strut, so that way you don't have to use too much muscle. All right, here's your dinette. This can be converted into a bed as well. On this side here, you'll have your kitchen. Nice prep area. You can use a sink cover as a prep area as well. Your burner, your propane oven, and a microwave. Comes with the light, the fan that will suck all the smoke out and away from your coach. There's a nice window right here, so that way you can open it up and call people for dinner or for lunch, or just have it open to get a nice breeze. Well, see this? This is a nice fridge. Look at that. Look at that space you get. Propane fridge and electric as well, so you can plug it in. Here is the bunk area. Great amount of room. I'm gonna climb in there. You can do two, easily. There's lights in here, so that way they can have a reading light. More space up here as well for 2 people. This bunk area here supports 300 pounds. That's a lot. Your thermostat control, located in a convenient area. More storage space. Bathroom, here you go. It's a nice sized bathroom. It's a tub. You can still stand on it. If you have pets or you have kids that need to be bathed that are small, you have a tub area for you to do that. And you have a nice foot flush toilet here. Hear that? That's a porcelain toilet. So it's not the cheap plastic ones. All right, this is Sot at Johnson RV here in Fife, Washington. Give me a call at 253-286-0833.